Hi, I'm Ikra Sheikh, Product Manager on the SQL Tools and Experience team. Whether you are a developer, a DBA, or a data analyst, if you're managing SQL databases in VS Code, this video is for you. I'm going to show you two features that make your workflow faster and cleaner: the Publish Dialog and Item Template expansion. Let's see. Here I have a SQL database project already set up. As you can see, I'm hovering here on the test Publish Dialog SQL project. And when I'm ready to deploy, I am just going to right click and select Publish and watch what happens. Publish Dialog opens up here and it's going to give us an option to connect to server. It will automatically connect here and it will pre-fill our target database. So no switching tools, no copy pasting, connection strings. Here we have the dialog fully loaded. And as you can see, it just got connected to the server here. You have two options here: to generate the script or press publish. If you hit generate script, it will give you a preview of the exact T-SQL before anything touches your database. And that's great if you want a second set of eyes before deploying to production. But here I just went straight to publish. So as you can see, it's executing right now and it's building our project. Let's give it a couple of seconds and wait for our build to finish. Okay, so we have the build succeeded here, as you can see, and now it's deploying. Your schema changes are live and you never left your editor. Next thing, let's have a look at item template expansion, the second feature. Right click your project and select add item, the way I'm doing it on the screen. And this is where it gets really useful for day-to-day work. You can see table valued function template with pre-populated code. I just picked up the template here and it will instantly generate a pre-structured file. On the screen, you can see the table valued function that I just chose. The full skeleton is ready. You just fill in the logic. So no syntax lookup, no copy pasting from old projects. The other one that we'll have a look here is schema. You type a name, hit enter, and you've got a properly formatted file. If we scroll through the full template list, you'll have schema, table valued function, triggers, sequences, and more. Whatever object you're working with, there is a template for it. Both these features are available now in the latest SQL Database Projects extension.